Welcome to Renal Diet HQ. Today we're going to make this delicious kidney-friendly cornbread from scratch, and it'll be perfect for a side dish for any of your meals. As you can see, it's turned out yummy and delicious. And at the end, let's give it a taste. Today we have a special recipe just for you. We're going to take these 7 ingredients and turn them into a cornbread recipe from scratch that is so simple and so delicious. You won't believe it. Stay tuned to the end to see how it turns out. So our ingredients for our cornbread from scratch is cornmeal, almond milk, flour, egg, sugar, oil, and baking powder. We're using almond milk because that is lower in potassium and phosphorus for your kidney-friendly diet. All right, the first step is to turn on your oven to the proper temperature. So we're going to turn on the oven to 350 and let that warm up while we're mixing our ingredients. All right, so now we're going to mix together the ingredients for the cornbread, and I'm going to put in the cornmeal. Everything, it's so simple. Everything just goes together. You don't have to mix the flour and the dry ingredients separate. Just all goes in there. Then I'm just going to use a whisk and hand mix it together till it's completely combined. Okay, now that it's all combined, we're going to pour it into the pan so that we can then put it into the oven. This ends up making 8 servings of cornbread, so you end up just cutting it into 8 pieces. So as you can see, those are pretty big pieces that you end up with. Okay, now it's time to put the cornbread in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, we're going to take the cornbread out of the oven. A way to check that your cornbread is done is to stick a knife in the middle, and if it comes out clean, it's all done. So we're going to let this cool for a minute, and then we're going to cut it. All right, so now our cornbread has cooled a little. So now we're going to cut it into 8 pieces. As you can see, these are nice, large pieces that make for a delicious side to your meal. The kidney-friendly cornbread turned out delicious. Not dry. This kidney-friendly cornbread makes a delicious side dish to any meal. Very tasty. Your entire family will love it, and you won't have to compromise on flavor even though you're on a kidney-friendly diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more kidney-friendly recipes.